Dunbar Middle School has something to cheer about with the relaunching of the campus's Pep Squad under the direction of Chasmine Caldwell and Erica Campbell. Recently, the 60-member squad of 5th and 6th grade girls performed for the very first time during Dunbar's Red Ribbon Week Assembly.
We learned some skills during the week, and then we had tryouts, and then we came and decided we was going to take all girls because we felt like let's let all participate and give them a sense of involvement. And so they were excited. They learned cheers, they learned dance, and so now it's when is the next thing? When is the next activity?
At Dunbar, I think it's a little different. It's definitely to lead spirit and motivate the students, but it's more so to instill leadership skills into the girls and for them to kind of start to practice discipline at an early age.
I love how energetic we are and how the coaches make us feel like we are special.
My favorite thing about Dunbar is most of the people here, they're positive, great teachers and things like that. It's really good.
I love my school a lot. I mean, the first time I came here, everybody was really supportive and kind, and I made friends really quickly.
All the girls did fabulous, and I just, they were excited. All I wanted to see was those red lipsticks and those bread bows and them just smiling. I think they did a fantastic job today.